So hello everyone. Today we will start the new series Python tutorials. So let's start and keep enjoying and do fun. Okay, what is the Python? Web development, server side, software development, mathematics, system scripting. This is the Python. Okay, so most of the users are using currently in a Python only. All the codes are shifting in Python as well. So next, Python installation. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if have Python installed on your Windows PCs, then you please use the Python version. Okay, like this way you can see Python version. So next is like to check if you have Python installed on Linux or Mac, then use the Python version again you in a terminal. So it will be the look like this way. If find that you don't have Python installation on your computer, then you download it for free from the following websites like https www.python.org. In that you can easily download it and you can easily install in your Windows, Mac or Linux, anywhere you can. So next, Python run. It's look like this way. Run the Python. I just create here Python folder and main.py. So here is the showing Python hello RAM, and I run here using the Python main.py, and it's showing result to me like hello RAM, like this way. So next, creating a commit in a Python. So hash we can use. This is commit. We are using the hash for the showing the commit. This is the way to type the comment or anything you want, you can type it. Next, let's start the coding. So we can start the coding in a Python. So first of all we can check the in a terminal Python version or it is installed already in my system or not. So I will try Python version. So it is a Python 2.7.10 in my system. So I will start here to code, like I will type here main.py. This is the py is the extension for the Python, and we can print first of all, print hello RAM simply, and we can use here Python main.py and check, yeah, hello RAM is showing, and we can print something different like print number. This is the commit also, we can give the comment also here, and we can print here like print 5 in a numeric. So use again Python main.py. Yep, voila, here is showing us hello RAM and number. So this is a way to installing the Python or introduce the Python and how to print the Python. So in the next videos we can check the variables and data types in a Python. So keep enjoying and do the fun. Thanks for watching.